Welcome to Sheriff on Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, special features, and fun. Some time ago, we did a video on the World Cruise being offered by Oceania. And can I tell you, the World Cruises are selling out fast. Already, we have gotten sold out reports for many segments of all the world cruises for 2020, and then there's some that are just totally sold out. So if you are considering doing a segment in a world cruise or booking a world cruise anytime in the near future, you need to call us, because believe you me, the excitement is rising. Gone are the days when newly retired and a little more than the average wealthy person, royalties and novelties from all over the world were the ones focusing on world cruises. The crowd has changed. Yes, they're still a little bit older. They still tend to be more female and they still tend to be international. But now we're seeing entrepreneurs and we're seeing younger professionals taking the opportunity to see the world while still remaining connected, while still working at sea. And so this is just such a great opportunity to push the option further and closer, because now you really can see the world while remaining local. And just so that you have an idea as to some of our upcoming offers, we have got January 5 through to April 26, 2020, open for booking. That's with Costa Deliciosa. And that's a 113-day round trip from Venice, Italy. We'll be doing things like visits to France, Spain, Canary Islands, and then we come over into the Caribbean doing Barbados, Aruba, Panama, French Polynesia, the Cook Islands, and then down south into New Zealand. I tell you, this is going to be something else. Australia comes along with that, New Guinea, and then into Asia, touching Japan, South Korea, China, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, India, Oman, Jordan, and Greece. That is just absolutely deliciosa. Then, of course, if you are thinking something more along the lines of another layer of luxury, we've got this Crystal Serenity, and she sails January 6 through 21 of 2020, just a year out, not even. So we're almost at full payment, guys. If you're looking to do the Crystal Serenity, it's time to get cracking. This is a 105-day voyage, and it is Crystal's 25th World Cruise. So it's their 25th anniversary. It's going to be a sailing that will really enhance your life, visiting 47 cities and 23 countries. Now, Crystal has always done a wonderful job, and it maximizes this mystique experience with private events in exotic places like the Wadi Rum tour in Ephesus. You certainly want to be thinking about Crystal Serenity for that world cruise. And then, of course, January 4th to 12th with a 129-day round trip from Fort Lauderdale. We can make that happen for you quite easily. Holland, America, one of those damn ships. So our ship will be the Amsterdam, and she will be taking you on your 129-day voyage. And this one will include wonders like Seychelles, Kenya, Tanzania, Madagascar, Mozambique, and South Africa, among others. And of course, the Caribbean will never be left out of it. Barbados, Guadeloupe, Puerto Rico will also feature prominently on this sailing. So I tell you, wonderful things in store for us. Oceania Insignia has pride of place with 180 days. Again, this one will sail in 2021, and we're looking at January 9th through the 9th of July. And this is a Miami returning New York venture. This is going to be really, really nice. We're going all the way north. Denmark comes into play with this one. And then, of course, over into Egypt. Israel will be a part of this one. Croatia, Greece, Turkey, just to name a few. It's just endless wonder, and it's just beautiful. Now, if you are thinking Seabourn, we've got the Seabourn Sojourn, and this will do January 4th to May 28th. It's 146 days sailing, and it's going to be wonderful. Canada figures into this one, and of course, quite a few of the other favorites. It will include Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Miramar, India, the EAU, Egypt, Israel, Turkey, Greece, Croatia, Italy, France, Spain, Gibraltar, Portugal, England, Ireland, the Shetland Islands, Denmark, Greece, and of course North America gets her taste with Los Angeles. American Samoa takes us into the French Polynesian area, New Zealand, Australia. So this is also an amazing opportunity. My goodness, I'm just about out of breath, but there is so much more offerings on the World Cruise stage. You need to give us a call here at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, 347-757-6728. And down below, you will see that red bar. Click the subscribe button. We have updates very frequently that you need to remain in front of what's going on. For those who love a smaller vessel, the Silver Cloud from Silver Sea, she will sail in January 2021 on the 30th through to July 16th, and she will do a 167-day sailing. And this one departs from Uisha. I hope I got that pronounced properly. Return into Norway. And this is going to be an expedition type cruise. So it will be a little different, and it will take you to some of the not so familiar places, and some of those that until I sail them I might not be able to pronounce. But you know, I know here at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we've got viewers from all over the world, and do not feel as though we're leaving you out, because we know you love luxury and you want that home away from home experience. And so we're offering to you the 2-bedroom owner's suite on the Silver Cloud, and that is priced just short of $1 million US for this entire world cruise. So do not think you need to skimp. We have got it all right here for you. But of course, in this one recording, there's no way we could tell you all that is out there. So I'm going to encourage you to give us a call right here at Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, 347-757-6728, because you will need to learn about Sea Princess's departure, which is later on in the year, May 10th, and that's doing this year, so you still have time, doing 107 days. And of course, you want to know about Queen Mary, because Cunard is really an amazing line, and she does her departures round trip New York 2020 is still available for purchases. And of course, we also have many other offers. MSC is doing the Magnifica for 2020. It's 117 days. And this one departs from Rome. We've got the Poesia as well. And 2021 will see her departing for a 119-day sailing. Regent 7 Seas will not be left out, as she will provide the marina, and she's doing 133 days Miami to Barcelona. Viking, oh my goodness, Viking Sun, an ocean liner, she will depart in January 2020. It's 119 days from Los Angeles to London. So much to share, so much fun happening in the world. You need to find us right here, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun. Ciao for now.